I'm the one that acted, Doug. This is my channel, Doug. This is my show, alright, Doug? You may give me suggestions, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna take them. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
Let me record, Doug. Alright.
So in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to make the 1 Series a lot more aggressive looking.
Perfect.
So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to make the 1 Series a lot more aggressive looking.
The country, going back to the desert. You feel? And once you put mud flaps on, you can do things like this.
I'm driving a BMW. I'm telling it where to go. The future is right in front of you, and where it stops, nobody knows. Time is king, so get up.
Welcome back, world, to the 915 Beamer Garage. I'm your boy Law. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to install those mud flaps. The total should take about maybe 25-45 minutes tops. Really easy job. We're going to show you how to do it DIY. So we did find out through the process, or through the little task we had in hand, was that these original equipment rivets that come with the vehicle are going to fasten the mud flap better to the vehicle itself than the company that supplied the actual mud flaps. Those rivets are not very well made.
I believe I can fly.
actual rear wheelhouse of the vehicle, we actually did use the rivets that came with the mud flaps. They worked well for the rear only. For the front, you need the original equipment rivets, and as well as you can use the original bolt that screws in from the bottom. So some of the things you're going to need for this type of job is going to be a couple of cans of Plasti Dip, of course, index cards so that you can go ahead and block out any splatter. You might want to get the gun to put on top of the spray can. You're also going to need some trash bags, a pair of gloves. You're also going to need a mask. And you might want to go ahead and pick up some down the street Starbucks. So we've seen other videos out there, of course, who hasn't, when you're wanting to DIY some Plasti Dip, change the color of your rims. It also even makes a great protection coat, to be honest with you, with all those little pebbles flying around on the street. But what we want to go ahead and make sure we understand is that it's not just about getting it done as quickly as possible or throwing as much paint on there as possible, right? You want to get those even coats and make sure that you are taking your time and just having fun with it. You want to make sure you're at least a minimal distance of 3 inches. That'll help the pattern, the coat, so you're not getting spray drips and whatnot. And you're going to want to make sure that you do very light touches, right? So you don't want to be impatient and just start spraying or oozing the Plasti Dip onto the rim. You want to go ahead and just be patient, have fun with it. You know, like it's almost an art. Just make sure you get those even little slight sprays on all over the rim, and then that way you can come back to it. Make sure you didn't miss a spot, cover it up, and what have you. Then you're gonna want to put maybe 6 coats, give or take.